Struggling with belly fat below the belly button? We've got the solution. Hey everyone, Thiago here. Today, we're going to reveal the secret to finally getting rid of that pouch that's been bothering you. In this video, I'll explain why the fat below the belly button is so stubborn and share proven strategies to combat it effectively. Stick with me until the end to learn how to transform your body in a healthy and lasting way. Belly fat below the belly button is one of the biggest challenges many people face. Commonly known as the pouch, this area is notoriously tough to tone and shed fat from. Many people turn to quick fixes and miracle solutions that usually don't work. Today, we'll debunk some of these myths and explore effective and sustainable approaches to tackle this stubborn fat. Let's start by understanding the truth behind spot reduction. There's a common belief that you can target fat loss in a specific area of the body, but that's not true. It's important to know where to focus to get real results. Debunking spot reduction. Spot reduction doesn't exist. This means we can't choose exactly where our body burns fat from. Many people spend money on products and methods promising spot reduction, but they're ineffective. For example, cryolipolysis can help reduce fat in specific areas by freezing fat cells, but it doesn't eliminate the need for a proper diet for lasting results. Think of cryolipolysis like a worker breaking down a wall to make it easier to remove the debris. The main work still needs to be done through diet and exercise. Importance of diet. The key to losing fat, including belly fat, is creating a calorie deficit. This means consuming fewer calories than you burn. Adjusting your diet is essential to ensure your body burns fat overall. I recommend seeking help from a nutritionist or following a specialized course to learn how to create an effective diet. In my ebook, for example, I teach how to structure a diet that really works. However, the most important thing is to get proper guidance to create a diet that works for you. Muscle hypertrophy and aesthetics. In addition to diet, it's important to focus on hypertrophy training, which means increasing muscle mass. Gaining muscle mass can help tighten the skin, improving aesthetic appearance and reducing the perception of localized fat. Think of it like wearing a loose jacket. On a thin person, it looks baggy and awkward, but on a muscular person, it fits better and looks good. Hypertrophy can help tighten your body in the same way. To improve aesthetic appearance and help reduce localized fat, it's essential to focus on muscle gain. Increasing muscle mass tightens the skin, reducing the appearance of fat. With this, we conclude that the combination of a well-structured diet and a hypertrophy-focused training program is the most effective approach to reducing belly fat. Techniques like cryolipolysis can be helpful, but they should be complementary to a healthy and consistent lifestyle in terms of diet and exercise. Now, let's dive deeper into specific nutritional strategies and how to adjust your meal plan to maximize fat loss. Hypertrophy-focused training. Doing many abdominal exercises won't burn localized fat. Instead, focus on exercises that promote muscle growth throughout the body, such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. These compound exercises are more effective for stimulating muscle hypertrophy. Also, remember the importance of rest. Muscles grow during the recovery period, so don't overwork them with excessive exercise. To reduce localized fat and improve body aesthetics, it's crucial to focus on muscle hypertrophy. Muscle growth in various parts of the body can help create a more toned appearance and reduce the perception of belly fat. Training approach. Abdominal exercises. Doing many abdominal exercises won't result in spot fat loss. Focus on a full body workout that creates an anabolic environment promoting overall fat burn. Compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses are particularly effective. Importance of comprehensive training. Training the whole body, rather than just focusing on one specific area, is crucial. Hypertrophy in different parts of the body, such as the back, shoulders, chest, and legs, helps tighten the skin and improve overall appearance. This approach promotes more balanced and aesthetic development. Training all muscle groups is crucial to create a harmonious and aesthetically pleasing appearance. Hypertrophy in other muscles will help reduce the perception of belly fat. This creates more balanced development and enhances overall body definition. Patience and persistence. Losing fat and gaining muscle is a long process that requires patience and persistence. Many people give up before seeing results because they don't notice immediate progress. Keeping a consistent routine of diet and training is essential to achieving fat loss and muscle gain goals. These processes require time and dedication. It's essential to understand that lasting results demand patience and consistency. Adopting a realistic and sustainable approach to fat loss is essential. Understand that results take time and that it's necessary to maintain a balanced routine of diet and exercise. Stay motivated and disciplined, remembering that results will come with time and continuous effort. Auxiliary techniques and final considerations. Carb cycling. Using carb cycling can be an effective strategy to keep the metabolism active and avoid diet monotony. Increasing carb intake on certain days helps to rev up metabolism and motivation during the fat loss process. This variation can also improve workout performance and muscle recovery. Realism and sustainability. Adopting a realistic and sustainable approach to fat loss is crucial. Quick results are usually not lasting. Focusing on consistent and gradual progress is the best way to ensure long-term results. Avoid extreme diets and methods that can't be maintained sustainably. Long-term commitment. Fat loss and muscle gain require a long-term commitment. Patience and persistence are key to achieving and maintaining desired results. Don't get discouraged by the time it takes to see significant changes. The journey is just as important as the final destination. Practical recommendations. Follow a balanced approach to diet and training, seeking professional guidance when necessary, to ensure you're on the right track to achieving your goals healthily and effectively. A well-structured plan, with appropriate support and guidance, can make all the difference. These strategies and tips are essential for your journey of belly fat loss and muscle gain. Implementing them consistently will bring the desired results over time. Now, I want to invite you to dive deeper into these topics and continue receiving support and motivation to achieve your goals. If you found these tips useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more fitness and health content. Leave your comment below with your experiences and questions about fat loss and muscle gain. Also, activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos. And if you want a complete and detailed guide to transform your body, check out our ebook, Burn Boost, Accelerating Your Transformation. Click the link in the description to learn more and secure your copy. And if you want to know how to lose a lot of weight in a week and if it's possible, check out the video appearing on your screen.